In this video, I'm showing you how you attach the leg. It's actually very simple and very quick, but maybe a little bit harder to explain. First, you want to leave a long tail, like I'm talking 3 feet. A good measurement for me is like holding the end all the way out and holding it up to my chin, and that's about 3 feet. And then you're going to do your magic circle from that spot. And you're going to single crochet 6 in that magic circle. I always like to pull the magic circle tighter earlier when I'm using plush yarn because I feel like that helps that they don't break as often. Now that long tail that you made, you want to make sure that it comes out the top of your magic circle. This is what you're going to use to make the legs. We're working right now on the foot. And now I'm going to single crochet increase in each one around. That'll be a total of 12 stitches for this round. For the third round, you will single crochet in each one around, again for a total of 12 stitches. Okay, so for this one, I chain 1, and we're going to flatten that foot, and I'm going to close it with a single crochet in each one across, but you're putting your crochet hook through both sides of your foot and doing a single crochet. So you can see that I'm going through both sides. And then in my last one, I single crochet twice. I don't really know why, that just makes it look much better. Then you'll snip that off and just weave in that end. Now for the legs, I'm going to bring my crochet up through that circle spot, and I'm just bringing that yarn through so I can start working with it. Now I have a loop, and I'm going to chain 12 times and then fasten off. Now you're going to attach it about the 3rd row, and you want to try to line it up towards the edge of your silly goose. And I go through about 2 stitches, and you pull through all the way until you touch the chains, and then you're going to go through just a couple of times to secure it. And then I'm going through one of those chains and just kind of pulling tight and doing another pass through the body. Now I'm going to take my needle and just weave my way back down to the foot through those chains that make up the leg. Then when I get down towards the foot, I'm just going to go through the foot and that bottom chain a couple of times. Just make sure everything feels solid. When I'm done with that, I'll just weave in my end and fasten off.